This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, everybody. It's Joyce, the teen librarian from the Cambria County Library again. I'm here today to show you a very quick tutorial on how to use one of the coolest functions of your digital library card, and that's to access tutor.com. So if you're working on schoolwork, especially now when things can be a little more challenging during pandemic times, it can be really great to be able to have access to a live one-on-one tutor for your schoolwork, and that's what this is going to let you do. So I'm going to take you to the site, and I'm going to try and go slowly because there's a couple pages that we have to click through to get there, and then you'll see how to use tutor.com. So what you're going to do first is go to the library website, and you'll see that above up there. If you just type in cclsys.org, that'll take you to this main page. Then you're going to come over to Find Your Library and hover over that, and then just kind of slide down to Cambria County Library and choose us right there. Once you've chosen your library, the page is going to load, and then you're going to see options across the top to get to the next page. You would think that you would click for teens, and I hope you will check out this page because we do have some awesome things at the library for teens, but actually what we're going to do now is just click on resources. So let's click on that. And then you'll see library resources listed. As you scroll down on the right-hand side, you're going to see all of these things that you can access with your digital library card. These are all things that you can use by having it. So what we're going to look at right now is we're going to look at tutor.com. So let's scroll down, and there we go. We're going to click on that. And then it'll say welcome to tutor.com. And then it's going to ask you, it is not asking me because I've previously entered my library card, but the first time you use it, it does ask you for your digital library card number. So you're going to type that in so it will remember it, and it's done that already for me. And then you can see the choices that you have across the top. You can connect one-on-one live with a tutor. If you have a math question, you can drop that off and someone will respond back to you. You can take a practice quiz if you're studying for your PSATs or your SATs. You can take practice quizzes, and also, as you see in the next box, you can do prep for the SAT or the ACT. You can also prep for grad school tests, for AP exams if you're taking an AP class and you need some prep for some of the work that you're doing, or just watch videos for math and English. So as you can see, and I'm actually not going to go ahead and do the whole process, but if I wanted to choose here, I could choose, let's say I want to do SAT test prep, and then I can choose which subject I want to do. Is it math? Which subject with math do I want to do? What grade level am I in? And then when it says what library do you belong to, just remember that you want to go ahead and scroll down and choose for this one, Cambria County Library, and it will put you in there. And then if you want to have voice chat with a tutor, you can choose to select that. You can enter your questions and then go ahead and hit connect, and it'll connect you and you'll be able to get some tutoring help. That's pretty much a quick overview of tutor.com. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to call me at the library or email me at homanj@cclsys.org, or talk to Mr. Tomac and he'll help you out too.